McDonald's is going to bring back the McRib on Wednesday, and you looked at me and said, don't they do that all the time? Are you speaking to me like a guy who's constantly eating the McRib? I didn't know that. And I can't even remember the last time I had a McRib, but you know how this goes with McDonald's. Anytime they do some type of move like this, they're always going to get some attention because it's just that brand, isn't it, when it comes to the fast food?
Oh, yeah.
They recently did the collab with Travis Scott. People were all fired up for that.
Yeah.
Cactus Jack type stuff.
Yeah. Simple, but delicious.
People were going through the drive-thru just saying, and people knew what they wanted in advance. They would just say Travis Scott.
Yeah.
And the people just
scream it.
Yeah, they just knew, man.
Right away.
Anyway, they're bringing back the McRib, and they've actually got a little program here to give away 10,000 free barbecue sandwiches, but only for fans who shave. Now, this was a bit weird, this promo, because I know you got really offended. You felt discriminated against because you have a beard, and you're like, I should be able to get in the contest for the McRib.
Or what about people who, like, don't have...
The point is, Willie Doo was
like
just very
PC.
upset hearing about this shave part. But it's somehow, it's a promo because they say you're going to get sauce all over your face. So you can't have a beard because it's a saucy promo. Like, this is the angle they're taking. I'm not saying I agree with it. And so they want you to take a picture with a shaved face, do their hashtag, and you can win a McRib. And then Will's like, isn't this excluding somebody? You just felt you felt in 2020, this must be excluding somebody. I said, well, the people with beards. And some people wear beards for religious reasons as well. Yeah. See, you didn't go that route.
Oh, yeah.
You were thinking people who couldn't grow a beard couldn't shave, but people with a smooth face are allowed to apply.
I thought it was like a before and after kind of photo you have to take too.
Look, here's how I think they're going to get away with it. They're somehow tying it into No Shave November, or what some people call Movember, which they do for cancer awareness and also for fundraising for cancer. It's somehow it's tied together somehow that maybe there's going to be a donation or some sort of collaboration, because they have a word here from some PR from the No Shave November Club. Like, now's the time to shave. You were growing the thing for a good cause. Now you can shave and enjoy a McRib. I don't know. So anyway, are you gonna get one of these are you gonna try one out, or what are you gonna do?
Not shave, but I'll get one. I liked it.
You're gonna get a McRib when it comes back, but you're not ready. You're not prepared to shave for it.
No.
Okay, good to know. Yeah.